Hey traders, it's Options Tender here. Thanks for joining us on this market update. Heck of a day today. We had a lot of names moving. Seems like the SPX is at a standstill, but really it's just gapping up. But the names, the individual names are moving. So having a good day. Having a great week. So continue to stick with me. Subscribe. Press the notification button so you can receive these every morning and night. Also, like the videos if you think the content is worth it. So we're going to go through the SPX. We have the expected move on the screen here. We're going to head through the monthly, weekly, daily, and also we're going to go to ES for the 65-minute. Then we'll check out the individual names that we played today. We're not going to go through the indices. We'll do those in the morning. So here we are, SPX. This is the options expected move for each week. We do that at the beginning of the week. This is the upper edge. This is the lower edge. We are working our way up. It seems like we're going to get gappy. We might gap tomorrow, gap overnight, and then consolidate during the day. That sort of movement is, I think it's due to because of the momentum. So we have a little bit of caution here, but we seem to be gapping up at night. So we're going to keep playing what works. Let's see here. Let's go to the monthly. Here. Okay, so we're on our monthly move here. Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are on 5. Got some ways to go if we're going to hit the top of the channel here. The monthly range has been kind of tight, but it's pushing up. Slowly, we made some new all-time highs today. Weekly. Change the board. Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, down to 4, and we are working on 5. We're pushing back over that resistance here, so we're closing above. Let's see how we do tomorrow. Maybe we'll have a nice little breakthrough. But this week we had an inside week, and we're breaking out above that right now. Daily trend is my friend. On the daily, zoom in here. Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and moving on 5 right now, just gapping up, moving right along above the 8 MA. We're trending nicely. Momentum, we already looked at that, but just cautious here. We may make that crossover to go to much higher levels, but make sure you keep your whereabouts. If your position is wrong, it's wrong. Get out, or have some put protection with that. Now we're going to go over to the ES on the 65 just to check out our day. Actually, we'll go back to last week. I like to show that we got the count correctly. After this 5, we expected a consolidation. We formed a bullish wedge, broke out of it for wave 1, down to wave 2, and we're on wave 3 right now. I don't really believe that we accomplished a wave 4 at this time. This may be it. I have to check things out, but we're starting to channel, so that may be a long wave 3 if we just keep this gamma push to the upside. It looks like we're forming somewhat of a triangle at this point. So our level to break is about 27. Well, the high is 27.17, but just about the 27.15 area. If we close above that, start to hourly and continue, we could have a good breakout to the top of the channel. Excellent. All right, so we're starting to see a little bit of hold on one second. Sorry, I had to talk to the kiddos. We have some divergence forming on the RSI and the MACD, so it's crossing over. We're still holding up, so we seem to be consolidating sideways. But when this happens, when you start to channel, these divergences are small, and it just kind of shows that you're at the channel top, and we may pull back a little bit, which we did to the bottom side of the channel. So we continue to go sideways to up at this time. All right, let's check out some individual names. Okay, we're gonna run through these really quick. I got so many names I could do more, but let's just stick with these. Adobe. Adobe, we put on a new position here. Wonderful inverse head and shoulders. We're just nailing these with Baidu. We're looking at Netflix. Or all these names popping out. Shop was a good one. So this is another long-term range. When it goes through, they move. Medtronics, MDT. We have a ascending triangle here that we're playing. We have a couple lottos for tomorrow, but we're really playing next week. So AMD. AMD broke out of its range, back tested, is moving right up. It getting close here. Seems as if we're moving right along with a ascending triangle. We'll see how this plays out tomorrow. Looks like it might have broke through a little bit. We may have to adjust the lines. But AMD, very bullish. Facebook, we did not do well. So with Facebook here, we started tightening up a bit. I see a maybe inverse head and shoulders happening right here. We broke through. We held on to it. We started to fade down. But I did hold on to this one. We're getting so tight in this area that I think as soon as tomorrow, we might break through this this triangle, and then there's a larger triangle that we're trying to move out of. We're getting close to the apex, so yeah, that's our one not so good trade here today. So GDX, so I was actually playing Nugget, the leverage play, but we gapped up overnight. We got out of that instantly with almost a triple. It's just amazing move on that one. ZS, we just got in here. We noticed the ascending triangle. I love this play. It didn't quite break through. It looked like it was poking. Looked like it wanted to, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. Thessaly. Ooh, just one S. And look at this range moving right along, right up there. Or again, we just see these plays where the ascending triangles happen. It's just in a that's in a bullish market when individual plays are starting to form. That's when you see a lot of the consolidations become ascending triangles and symmetrical triangles, and just some wonderful plays out there to get. Just you don't want to play too many of them at one time because you have to manage your positions. But wow, here we go, DraftKings. It broke out of the range. We actually got out of this one today. We are expecting, if it does pull back to retest that breakout area, we'd love to get back in. But the measured move, if you notice this, when you're in a range like this, you can just take the line up to the top of the range and then move it up from the breakout area. And that's what we get. We get the movement we're a measure move around 59.60. So we're looking for higher prices there as well. So thank you very much for joining me. Sorry, this video is a little bit long. Again, we're running 8 to 10 minutes on these. If you like to comment and let me know if they're too long or if you want to hear more, let me know. I love the feedback. Like the video. Continue to follow me, and let's keep getting these wonderful trades. It's been such a good week, and we want to keep that going. So thank you very much, traders. Good luck tomorrow. I'll talk to you in the morning.